Welcome to Ninh Binh. If you are exploring northern Vietnam, you quickly realize that the landscapes are breathtaking, but the food? That is a whole other level of magic. We are basing ourselves in the heart of Tam Coc for a few nights, and today, we are on a mission to find the absolute best eats in town. Grab a seat and get ready to get hungry, because our Ninh Binh food tour starts right now. Our first stop is a place that feels like stepping into a local home, Father Cooking Restaurant. This spot is legendary among travelers for its warm, family-oriented vibe. As the name suggests, it's run by a wonderful family, and you'll often see the father himself ensuring everything is perfect.
Our experience at Father Cooking Restaurant felt less like a typical tourist stop and more like being invited into a warm Vietnamese home for a family meal. We opted for set 1, a generous spread designed for 2 that covers all the comforting classics, a soothing chicken soup, crispy fried spring rolls, and a vibrant stir-fried beef with pineapple and onion. The table was quickly filled with even more authentic flavors, including aromatic stir-fried chicken with lemongrass and chile, silky fried tofu in a tangy tomato sauce, fresh seasonal vegetables, and plenty of white rice, finishing off with a refreshing plate of local fruits. Because the set was so inviting, we couldn't resist adding an extra order of Bun Cha Gio with beef, which provided that perfect mix of crunchy spring rolls and savory grilled beef over rice noodles. Every bite was packed with that unmistakable home-cooked love, making it a truly delicious and soulful highlight of our time in Tam Coc. While traditional Bun Cha is famous for its smoky grilled pork, trying the Bun Cha Gio with beef for the first time was an absolute revelation. We were blown away by how incredibly tender the beef was, soaking up the savory flavors of the marinade perfectly. When you mix the crispy spring rolls and fresh herbs with that iconic dipping sauce, the balance of sweet, salty, and tangy notes is just flawless. We've always been huge fans of the classic pork version, but this beef variation is truly excellent and holds its own as a must-try dish for anyone looking to explore the versatility of Vietnamese flavors.
The moment all the dishes from set 1 were laid out alongside the Bun Cha Gio with beef, the table was completely overflowing. It was a true feast for the eyes. We were genuinely surprised by the portion sizes. Everything was incredibly generous, making it a very hearty dinner for our group. To wash it all down, we ordered a round of refreshing drinks, including a creamy pineapple smoothie, a chilled coconut smoothie, and a rich chocolate drink for a bit of indulgence. Of course, I couldn't resist my daily fix of hot Vietnamese coffee, which has become such a staple for me that I think I've been averaging several cups every single day. The best part of the entire experience, however, was the bill. For the amount of high-quality, home-cooked food we received, the price was incredibly reasonable, proving that you don't have to overspend to eat like royalty in Ninh Binh. After our morning exploration with the Tam Coc Discovery Tour package, we were completely exhausted and looking for something simple yet satisfying for lunch. You truly cannot visit this region without a banh mi gone Tam Coc, delicious banh mi by Kim, which is arguably the most famous sandwich in the world. Originally a fusion of French baguettes and local Vietnamese ingredients, a classic banh mi is a crusty bread roll typically smeared with savory pâté and creamy mayo, then stuffed with a variety of meats, pickled carrots, daikon, fresh cucumber, and cilantro. What makes Kim's banh mi stand out is that perfect, shattering crunch of the bread that gives way to a soft, airy interior. Whether you choose the traditional pork or their highly rated vegan tofu options, every bite is a perfect harmony of textures and flavors, salty, sweet, sour, and spicy all at once. It was exactly the quick, delicious pick-me-up we needed to recharge before our next adventure.
For our quick lunch, we decided to try 2 of their most popular options, the Mixed Banh Mi and the Grill Meat Banh Mi. Each bite offered that incredible contrast of the warm, crispy baguette against the savory, well-seasoned fillings. To round out the meal, we also ordered a classic Bun Cha, staying true to the traditional pork version this time. Comparing it to the beef version we had earlier, this classic preparation featured perfectly charred pork patties and slices of pork belly swimming in that signature tangy broth. It was the ultimate comfort food combination, crispy, handheld sandwiches paired with a bowl of refreshing noodles and herbs that hit the spot perfectly after a long morning of sightseeing. After a long, hot day of exploration, Our priority was to rehydrate and refresh, and we wanted something as colorful as it was delicious. We decided to treat ourselves to a round of vibrant fruit yogurts, strawberry, raspberry, and mango, which were the perfect way to cool down and refill our energy. As for me, I stuck to my mission of trying the Vietnamese coffee at every single restaurant we visit, opting for an iced Vietnamese coffee this time. There is something truly special about that strong, dark roasted coffee mixed with sweetened condensed milk and poured over ice. It is incredibly refreshing and provided the perfect caffeine kick to beat the afternoon heat. These icy drinks were exactly what we needed to rejuvenate our bodies before heading back out into the Ninh Binh sun.
For our final meal in Ninh Binh, we wanted to make the evening truly special, so we made our way back to the heart of the Tam Coc walking street. We spent our last evening weaving through the bustling crowds and vibrant energy of the night market, soaking in the sights and sounds of local life one last time. Seeing the street food vendors in action, the glowing lanterns, and the rhythmic pace of the town was the perfect way to bid farewell to the area. It gave us a chance to reflect on our journey while witnessing how the community comes alive at night, creating a beautiful, lasting memory of the atmosphere that makes Tam Coc so unique. For tonight dinner we found Hoàng Việt Restaurant, which was the perfect grand finale to our Ninh Binh adventure, offering a vibrant and welcoming atmosphere that truly captured the essence of local hospitality. This restaurant is a standout in the Tam Coc area, celebrated for its extensive menu that showcases the very best of regional northern Vietnamese cuisine. The energy of the space was infectious, filled with the aroma of signature specialties. Sitting there among the lively crowd, it felt like the ultimate way to celebrate our journey, providing a delicious and authentic setting to reflect on all the incredible sights and flavors we've encountered before saying goodbye to this beautiful region.
We just had to try their signature roast duck served with rice. It was a dish we had seen rotating enticingly on the spit days earlier, and we had promised ourselves we wouldn't leave without a taste. Finally, here we are, sitting down to experience it for ourselves. The skin was perfectly rendered and glistening, giving way to succulent, flavorful meat that lived up to every bit of the anticipation. Tasting it firsthand was the ultimate mission accomplished for our food tour, proving that sometimes the dishes that catch your eye in passing end up being the most rewarding highlights of the entire trip. To complement our succulent roast duck, we rounded out the meal with a plate of local stir-fried vegetables with mushrooms, which provided a fresh and earthy balance to the rich meat. I also couldn't resist ordering their version of Vietnamese fried rice, eager to see how the local flair would elevate such a classic staple. Meanwhile, for our youngest daughter, we opted for a bit of comfort food with a Hawaiian pizza. Given Vietnam's unique history and French colonial influence, Western-style dishes like pizza often have a surprising and delicious local twist, and this one didn't disappoint. It was the perfect blend of traditional Vietnamese flavors and familiar favorites, ensuring everyone at the table left completely satisfied on our final night.
Ultimately, our food adventure in Ninh Binh was a resounding success, proving that you don't have to look far to find a world-class meal in this region. Whether it was the heartwarming family hospitality at Father Cooking Restaurant, the quick and iconic crunch of Bánh Mì on Tam Coc, or the festive final feast at Hoàng Việt Restaurant, all three spots delivered incredible flavors at prices that were remarkably reasonable. It seems that across Vietnam, there is a consistent standard of excellence where even the simplest ingredients are transformed into something extraordinary. If you are planning a trip here, you simply must step out of your comfort zone and dive into the local flavors. It is the heartbeat of the Vietnamese experience. Until the next adventure, happy eating and safe travels.